Good morning, children. So let's learn lesson number 1. We are taking revision, our Earth and our solar system. So in our last video, we covered all the topics, okay, such as our solar system, various heavenly bodies. We learned the solar system, the stars, then dwarf planets, asteroids, satellites, artificial satellites. We learn about the gravity and about some astronauts. We learn man-made satellites. So today we are going to take the revision of question answers. Okay, so let's revise all the question answers related to all the topics. So first question is use your brain power. You have to give the answer. First question is, what will happen to our solar system if the sun were to suddenly disappear? So what happened? The sun is not in the sky. So what you have to face? The complete darkness. There will be complete darkness on the planet. And if the sun were to suddenly disappear, all life forms on the earth will cease. The planets will move from their orbits and may clash against each other. So this situation occurs when sun is suddenly disappear. Okay. Then the next question is, who am I? You have in the name the following, certain questions are asked. So first question is, you can see me from the earth, but the lighted part of me at you see changes every day. So this is the moon, okay? The moon, you can see me from the earth, but the lighted part of me that you see changes every day. Okay, we see in the night, the lighted part of the moon changes every day. So sometime full moon day, half moon day, 3/4 moon means we see the crescent moon, gibbous moon. On one day after 15 days, we see no moon in the sky. So different phases of the moon we see in the sky. So that is, answer is the moon. Okay. Then B question, I have my own light. Okay. It is only from me that the planets get light and heat. So this is the answer is the sun. Sun is a star that has its own light and it gives heat and light to all the planets. Okay, the answer is the sun. C question, I turn around myself. I turn around myself, a planet, and also around the star. Also around the star. Answer is satellite. Okay. Then next D question, I turn around myself and revolve around the sun. Okay, see, I turn around myself and revolve around the sun. That is planet. That is called planet. You can write the earth also. No other planet has a living world like mine. No other planet has a living world like mine. It is the earth. The earth is only unique planet that has life. Okay. Then next question. I am the nearest star to the earth. I am the nearest star to the earth. सबसे कौन सा nearest star? You look the big in size, that is the sun. Sun is the nearest star to the earth. Okay. So this question. Then for what purpose are rockets used in space travel? For what purpose? What is the use of rockets? Use in space travel, this is the question. So answer is Very powerful rockets are used to send a spacecraft into the space. It requires tremendous amount of energy. A tremendous quantity of fuel is burnt in rockets so that the spacecraft weighing thousands of tons may be launched into space. Okay, it requires बहुत ज़्यादा एनर्जी की जरूरत होती है स्पेसक्राफ्ट को ऊपर पहुंचाने के लिए into the space. Then next question is, what information do man-made satellites provide? Means, you know, we sent various satellites into space. These are man-made satellites. Which information they gives us? Its answer is, man-made satellites provide useful information about agriculture, environment, weather, forecasting, making maps, and searching for water and mineral wealth on the earth. Okay. It is also used for telecommunications. It means we talk to each other because of satellite information. We get all this information from man-made satellites. Okay, children. Now some more question answers. Fill in the blank. Answer. Question number 1 is, the heavenly bodies that twinkle are called? Answer is stars. The heavenly bodies that twinkle are called stars. Then question 2, satellites and planets get their light from the sun. Sun is the answer. You please note down all the answer in your copy. Satellites and planets get their light from the sun. Sun is the answer. Then third number, the heavenly body closest to the earth is. The heavenly body closest to the earth is moon. Okay, moon is the answer. The heavenly body closest to the earth is moon. Then dash is an important Indian space mission on Mars. Dash is an important Indian space mission on Mars. That is Mangalyaan. Answer is Mangalyaan is an important Indian space mission on Mars. Then scientists who travel in the spacecraft are called. Scientists who travel in the spacecraft are called astronauts. Answer is astronauts. Then dash became the first Indian astronaut to go in space. Became the first Indian astronaut to go in space. So who is first one? That is Rakesh Sharma. Rakesh Sharma is the answer. Became the first Indian astronaut to go in space. Okay, children. Then next question, dash have their own light. Answer is stars. Stars have their own light. Then next question, the sun is a dash. Sun is a star. Answer is star. The sun is a star. The next, the heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Okay. The heavenly bodies that do not twinkle are called planets. Okay. Then next question, dash do not have their own light. Answer is planets. Planets do not have their own light. Then next question, planets get their light from the star. Answer is stars. Stars have their own light. Then next question, planets do not have their own light. Answer is planets. Planets do not have their own light. Then next question, planets get their light from the star. Answer is stars. Planets do not have their own light. Then next question, planets get their light from the star. planets get their light from the star. Okay, answer is star. Then our earth is a dash. Our earth is a dash planet. Our earth is a planet. Then next question. The earth's movement around the sun is called the dash of the earth. Okay. The earth's movement around the sun is called the revolution of the earth. The earth's movement around the sun is called the revolution of the earth. Revolution is the answer. Earth revolves around the sun. Okay. Earth revolved around the sun. Then besides Earth, there are dash other planets which revolve around the sun. How many other planets besides Earth? There are 7 planets. Answer is the 7 other planets which revolves around the sun. Then the pathway along which the planets move around the sun is known as the planet's orbit. Answer is orbit. Once again, I am going to repeat the question. The pathway along which the planets move around the sun is called as the planet's orbit. Okay. The sun and the planets that revolve around it are together called a solar system. Okay. Next question is the sun and the planets that revolve around it are together called the solar system. Next question. These are all fill-ups. Okay, I am taking all the fill-ups. Some heavenly bodies that revolve around the planets are called satellites. Okay, some heavenly bodies that revolve around the planets are called satellites. Then next question. The dash revolves around the earth. The moon revolves around the earth. Okay. Earth revolves around the sun, but the moon revolves around the earth. The moon is the satellite of the earth. Moon is the satellite of the earth. Moon is satellite of earth. Then the planets revolved around the dash along with its satellite. The planets revolved around the sun along with its satellite. Dash is well-known dwarf planet. It is very important. So Pluto is a well-known dwarf planet. What is the name of dwarf planet? Sometime asked. So Pluto is well-known dwarf planet. Dwarf planet is Pluto. Remind. Then asteroids also dash around the sun. Asteroids also revolve around the sun. Due to Earth's dash, all things on the earth remain on it. Due to Earth's ग्रेविटी. ओके, जो हम लोग भी खड़े हैं अर्थ पे, जो सारी चीजें एक जगह पे खड़ी है अर्थ पे, दैट इज ड्यू टू अर्थ्स ग्रेविटेशनल फोर्स. ड्यू टू अर्थ्स ग्रेविटी, ड्यू टू अर्थ्स ग्रेविटी, all things on the earth remain on it. Then very powerful rockets are used to send a spacecraft into the space. Okay, these are very important terms. Our country is well known for the development of its space launch technology. And scientists who travel in spacecraft are called astronauts. Scientists who travel in spacecraft are called astronauts. Okay, this is fill-ups. Now, next question, you have to tell me the full form. Okay, what is the full form of MOM? M.O.M. Its full form is Mars Orbit Mission. Mars Orbit Mission. Okay. Then ISRO. ISRO. Long form of ISRO is Indian Space Research Organization. Indian Space Research Organization. Okay, children? So you should know. Then next question is, name the following. Okay, name the following. Two heavenly bodies. You should know the sun and the moon. Any two you can write. The sun, the moon. You can write the stars also. Okay. Then planets in the solar system. Write the name of planets. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus and Neptune. These are planets in the solar system. Then heavenly bodies between Mars and Jupiter, that is asteroids. Okay, asteroids are present between Mars and Jupiter, in between these two. A dwarf planet, that is Pluto. Pluto is a dwarf planet. Then technology that helps us to travel in space, that is rocket technology or space launch technology. Okay, children. So this is about. In next video, we will learn few more question answers. So bye everyone. So please prepare for your bridge test.